So, as I told you, protocol is really important to communicate. Yeah, communication protocol between people. For example, now we are I speak English and you speak English, so we can communicate. But you can speak Vietnam, I speak Korean. We can speak communication. We can communication ever? No, because Deora doesn't have not match protocol. Yeah, not have some same interface before that. So another protocol that can be missed when referring to network is the protocol. It refers to the protocol to the computer has set up to communicate with each other. Yeah. So what's the communication protocol? Let's think about this one. Yeah. Well, if when we match each other, I'm hungry. Okay, let's go buy. But before, so languages are different. I'm hungry is $1, $. He can feel crazy. Yeah. So protocol is the same. Oh, we are already used TCP/IP protocol, so we can connect internet and connect many things, many full service. Because full service already supported to using TCP/IP protocol. This one. Protocol are indeed pensable on computers. Of course, if we cannot use internet or cannot use network, only this laptop is not funny. Yeah. So only can a few this one. The protocol is used almost everywhere on the computer. Two remote units cannot communicate with each other unless they have set up procedure in advance. Thus, communication and protocol are inseparable. Yeah. For example, your laptop, some electric wave, or some you can call Wi-Fi, and some Wi-Fi device connected to another server, or a switch or another system. For example, your laptop some request to get graph JPG. It means that give me graph.jpg image file and follow the signal, and then some another laptop request to some this JPG on an image file. Okay, return graph point JPG file. So we can see JPG graph that point JPG image file. We can see. But there are some very simple. Just only some I wanted to some another some image file. But this one action, many things have behind this. And then when I recasting this one, already know that server part or some network, because we are communications protocols, we are using same protocol. So any device needs a protocol to communicate with each other. For example, there is your USB memory is okay. Also use to connect a mouse to a PC. There is also two USB protocol. Yeah. When using Bluetooth, we already saying Bluetooth standard protocol using this one. The protocol is also defined when write data from a repository. A typical example is the SCSI protocol. Maybe you have been SCSI or SCSI, no? Now we are more familiar SAS interface. SAS is just some SCSI interface. SAS. SATA. You don't know that? SATA. It means the serial attached SCSI. Serial attached 88. But I'm not sure about this SATA frame. Okay. What is SAS SATA? What is SCSI? That's your homework. There's also protocol is in CPU. Yeah, right. We already have some multi-core CPU. So each other CPU need protocol to communicate between. Yeah. So in recent years, multi-core CPU have been taken for granted, and there are protocols for these core to communicate with each other. Yeah.